Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can add glitch effect to our video on CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my CapCut PC, and first of all, I'm going to add this video to the timeline, and I'm going to add a glitch effect to this video. We can go to the effect menu right here, and then we're going to select the video effect. In this video effect, you can go to the glitch category, and here you will be able to choose the type of the glitch effect you want to add to your video. And for example, I'm going to select this color glitch. Okay, I'm just going to make it align with my video, and we can also combine two effect if we want. I'm just going to combine it with this one. Okay, and now the glitch effect has been added, and we can customize the effect. We can go to the section, and for the glitch, I'm going to customize the speed. Okay, and for the color glitch, I'm going to increase the speed. Okay, now it's done guys, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to add glitch effect in CapCut PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.